Children, now we should start our class. Today, as I have got the information that the addition has been completed, we have to start the subtraction of rational number. So we are starting our that rational number. We will be going along with a PPT. With the help of that PowerPoint presentation, we will be able to we will try to understand the concept of subtraction of rational number. You might be seeing that there is two IDs I have entered. One is having the name of Rajiv Sinha and one is the name with Sunny Valley Academy. So I will shift this host meeting to that Sunny Valley Academy ID, and from there I will show you the PPT. So with the help of PPT, we will try to solve question also. I will explain subtraction of rational number. Am I right that you have to do subtraction of rational number? Anyone? मेरी आवाज सब तक जा रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am giving a host thing to Sunny Valley Academy so that okay. So now I will shift everything to that Sunny Valley Academy.
Hello, sir.
Now I have shifted to the Sunny Valley Academy ID. Everyone is able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सबको कोई मेरी आवाज सुनाई पड़ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Am I audible to
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, children. Now I'm sharing the screen.
Okay, sir.
I think you all might be able to see my screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Children, we will start today the subtraction, which subtraction of rational number. Children, when we are going, you all know what is a rational number. You might be knowing
Yes, sir.
the definition for rational number. Rational number are those numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where
Yes.
P is a integer and Q is not equal to 0. Very important thing is that the Q is not equal to 0. If somehow it is 0, then it will be not a rational number. These all you have studied in your previous classes. Now we have to start with the subtraction of rational number. Some of the properties. First properties of while we are subtracting rational number is that, as you can see on your screen, that subtraction of a rational number C by D from a rational number A by B is the addition of additive inverse of C by D. That is minus C by D to the rational number A by B. What is the meaning of this statement? Children, this is A by B, okay? You want to subtract C by D. A by B minus C by D. You want to subtract this. Now what is there in the rational number? If you want to subtract C by D from this A by B, you have to you are adding the additive inverse of C by D to A by B. What is the meaning of this? You know what is additive inverse? Anyone? Children, what is additive inverse? This is a term which you might be knowing, or if you are not knowing, you must know that. Additive inverse means a number which when added will give 0 to that particular number. This is called additive inverse. Additive inverse. Inverse means opposite. So when you are adding that opposite, it will give you 0. So for example, if 3 is a number, then additive inverse will be what? Minus 3. If 4 by 3 is a number, rational number, then minus 4 by 3 will be the additive inverse. If minus 4 by 3 is additive is a number, then additive inverse will be opposite of minus 4 by 3. That means plus 4 by 3. Clear है? समझ में आ रही बात? So what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse are those numbers which when added will give you 0. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर if I am saying 4 by 3, तो additive inverse क्या होगा? Minus 4 by 3. क्योंकि minus 4 by 3 when it is added to 4 by 3 it will give 0. या उल्टा बात करते हैं, minus 7 by 8 का additive inverse क्या होगा? Plus 7 by 8. Because minus 7 by 8 में जब plus 7 by 8 plus करेंगे तो it will give you 0. तो जब कभी हम रैशनल नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो एक्चुअली हम लोग उसके एडिटिव इनवर्स को प्लस कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जैसे एग्जांपल के तौर पर आई एम स्पीकिंग विथ अ नंबर, सिंपल नंबर के पास बोल रहा हूं. 4 minus 3, अगर एक नंबर रैशनल नंबर है 4 और हम दूसरा रैशनल नंबर है 3, इफ यू वांट टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 from 4, that is 4 minus 3. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि we are adding 4 plus additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. तो 4 plus minus 3. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि A by B, this is A by B. If you want to subtract C by D, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to add minus C by D. वो एक ही बात है. Next, let us take an example. We want to subtract minus 11 by 15 from 15 by 16. ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान रखेंगे. We are सेंटेंस समझिए, minus 11 by 15 from 15 by 16 मतलब we have to subtract minus 11 by 15 from 15 by 16. किस में से घटाना है? 15 by 16 से घटाना है. तो what we are writing? 15 by 16 minus 11 by 15.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रही बात? हमको क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? क्वेश्चन है कि सब्ट्रैक्ट minus 11 by 15 from 15 by 16 means we have to subtract this number 11 by 15 from 15 by 16. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 15 by 16 minus 11 by 15. अब ये आप लोग जान रहे हैं पीछे से कि अगर माइनस और माइनस रहेगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस. सो अब क्या करना है? 15 by 16 प्लस 11 by 15. अब तो ये आ गया. ठीक है, मेरा माउस का कर्सर भी दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग कि एक तो आ गया कि 15/16 प्लस 11/15। अब आगे क्या करना है, पीछे आप लोगों ने किया होगा ऐसा, क्या किया था कि जब एडिशन होता था तो व्हाट यू ऑल डू दैट यू टेक द LCM of
LCM.
the denominator. Now you can see the denominator 15 and 16 are those type of number after one after another. So this will be the LCM will be the multiplication of these 16 and 15. So either you have, if you want to find out the LCM, that is also okay, but LCM will come 16 into 15 only. So what you have taken, first of all, the LCM of 16 and 15, which is 16 into 15. Now what you have to do, you all know that the denominator has to be divided. That means denominator should be divided to 16/15. और अगर 16/15 को 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 16 कट जाएगा, क्या बचेगा 15, और वो 15 किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ऊपर वाले 15 के साथ। ये बात सबको क्लियर है कि नहीं क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ये बात पता है सबको कि कैसे एडिशन किया जाता है? पहले क्या करना है, 16 और 15 का एलसीएम लेना है। 16 और 15 का एलसीएम बाई चांस 16 into 15 ही होगा। अब क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड करते हैं, 16/15 को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करते हैं। तो जब 16/15 को 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो सिर्फ बचेगा 15, क्योंकि 16 कट जाएगा। वो 15 ऊपर वाले नंबर के साथ, न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है। तो मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 15 into 15, अब बीच का वो जो एडिशन है वो प्लस आ जाएगा। फिर सिमिलरली 16 into 15 को इस बार फिर से, अब डिनोमिनेटर क्या है 15 है, तो व्हाट यू विल डू, 16 into 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 15, तो 15 कट जाएगा, क्या बचेगा 16। That 16 will be multiplied with the 11, so 11 into 16. Now you have to solve it. 15 into 15 जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो you will get 225, and when you are multiplying 11 into 16, it will give you 176. So 176 and 225. So what you will do, add 225 plus 176, and you have to multiply 16 into 15, so that is coming 240. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 401 divided by 240. How 401 has came? You have added 225 with 176, it is giving you 401, and divided by 240 because you have multiplied 16 to 15. So answer will be what? 401 by 240. Clear hai? Any problem, anyone? This subtraction you are able to do?
Yes, sir.
So how you will give everyone speak one by one? You all have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only one have one voice has came. Another? No one else is able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the next slide. Now do one question for me. I am giving a very easy question. Take out your copies and pen. Very simple question. 18/37, you have to subtract 18/37 from -14/37. Everyone has to answer me in your chat box. There is a chat box, you all know.
Yes, sir.
चैट बॉक्स में आंसर लिखिए फटाक से, कितना आएगा? Here LCM is very easy. You can find out very easily.
Sir, I have to send it the answer.
Okay. Okay, correct. Sumitra has given a correct answer.
Sir, 4/37.
You have to write in the chat box. There is a chat box in which you can write. Shivani, your answer is not correct. You have missed one minus, I think.
Sir, minus is equal to plus. What in this minus? And
Now, children, I'm giving you the answer. It is minus 32/37. Children, what is the LCM? It is 37 only. What you have
Yes,
to
sir.
do, minus 14/37 minus 18/37. So 37 will be the LCM and minus 14 minus 18. This is the numerator. So what is happening if we minus 14 and minus 18 is there? Minus minus is plus, and 14 and 18, if you will add, it will give you 32. But here the bigger number is 18 and his sign is minus. So the answer will be minus 32/37. Okay. So Shivani might have subtracted 18 to 14, and that's why she has written minus 4/37. But children, here minus 14 and minus 18 is there. So when you will add, it will give you 32, and then sign will be of the greatest number. And which is the greatest number? 18. So 18 sign is minus. So the answer will be minus 32/37. Clear है? ठीक है?
yes, sir.
Now let us come
Yes,
to the next slide. Now, how will you subtract, as I have earlier given? The LCM, the denominator was same. So it was easy. But if there is a different number, if the denominator is of different number, then what you will do? As I have said earlier, you have to subtract. When you are subtracting, you have to take the LCM. Now, this is a slight word problem is there. What should be subtracted from minus 5/3 to get 5/6? What should be subtracted from minus 5/3 to get 5/6? You can see the solution now. What you have to do? From किसमें से लिखा हुआ है? minus 5/3. क्या लाना है? 5/6. What should be subtracted from minus 5/3? What will be subtracted from minus 5/3 so that equal to we are getting 5/6? So you can see here, let the number of minus 5/3 to get 5/6 be x. चलो वही मान लेते हैं कि जो नंबर घटाने से 5/6 आ रहा है, that number is x. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, -5/3 से यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट x to get 5/6. This is the question. First of all, in a word problem, you have to convert that word problem into mathematical formula. So what is happening here? Here it is happening that -5/3 में से हम x घटाएंगे तो we are getting 5/6. तो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? तो x की वैल्यू होने का तरीका क्या है कि यहाँ पे जो ये -5/3 है उसको हम क्या करेंगे कि उसको हम दूसरे साइड लेके जाएंगे। तो जो -5/3 होगा, अगर इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में माइनस है तो उधर जाकर के क्या हो जाएगा, वो प्लस हो जाएगा। तो या तो यू कम डायरेक्टली जंप टू दिस पॉइंट और 1 by 1 यू कैन कम। -x इज इक्वल टू 5/6, ये यहाँ पर हम कुछ नहीं है, इसका मतलब वो प्लस है, तो इधर आएगा तो ये माइनस होगा, और ये -5/3 पूरा का पूरा आ गया, ये माइनस माइनस, ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, और व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल गेट 5/6 प्लस 5/3 इज इक्वल टू 15/6। क्यों ऐसा आया चिल्ड्रन? 5/6 minus 5/3. First of all, minus and minus will be plus. This you have understanding. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see if you take LCM of 6 and 3, you will get 6. So 6 and 3 LCM is 6. Now this LCM will be divided by the denominator. So if 6 is divided by 6, you will get 1. So it is
Yes,
1. Now 1 will be multiplied with the numerator. 1 into 5 will be 5. Now come to this portion. 6 is the LCM. Now 6 is again divided by 3. That is giving you 2. Now 2 will multiply by 5. Then it will give 10. 10 and 5, 15. So answer is 15/6. Okay, now this is 15/6 minus x is 15/6. So what will be the value of x, because we want the value of x, not minus x. बेटा बहुत easy है कि you change from either you multiply this minus x with minus and minus to this both side. अगर कोई चीज आप दोनों साइड करते हैं, माइनस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी और राइट हैंड साइड, तो वैल्यू में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। तो व्हाट यू हैव डन, -x को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और 15/6 को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो -x बिकम x, और 15/6 को अगर -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा -15/6। हम चाहें तो इसको थोड़ा सा सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कर देते हैं। 3 के टेबल में 15 भी आता है और 6 भी आता है, तो यू डिवाइड दिस 15/3, तो 3 5 जा 15 and 3 2 जा 6, so the x की आंसर हो
3
जाएगा
2 जा 6.
-5/2. So similarly, this is the answer is -5/2. So -5/2 is the number, -5/2 वो नंबर है जो कि जब -5/3 से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो we will get 5/6. Clear है? So we
Yes,
are
sir.
running short of time, so let us go to the next slide. Now we are having 2-3 question. Since we are having slightly less time, so I will not give you a big question, but let us do question number 2 ka first portion. So start doing question number 2 first question and give me as early as possible the answer.
Try and the answer. Sir, is it correct?
Okay, Sumit Rao, your answer is correct. It is 5 by 22.
Yes, sir.
Children, answer is 5 by 22. Now,
Yes,
Okay.
okay. Slightly, we are moving fast. Let us go to the next.
Yes.
Why they are coming so late? Now, we will be going slightly fast with the different properties of subtraction. May I give you one important point that by chance if your class is off and I'm not able to complete the thing, so you will rejoin. Okay? समझ में आ रही बात? If कोई कारण से अगर we are not able to finalize the thing and then you will rejoin. तुरंत rejoin करेंगे 5-10 मिनट में we will complete the thing. Okay. Now here there are properties. Difference of two rational number is also a rational number. That is, if a by b and c by d is a rational number, then if you are subtracting a by b by c by d, you are getting a rational number. Understood? As you might be knowing that if you are adding a rational number with a rational number, you are getting a rational number. Similarly, if you are subtracting also a rational number with a rational number, then also it is a rational number. क्लियर है? किसी को कोई दिक्कत? रैशनल नंबर को रैशनल नंबर से घटाएंगे तो वी आर गेटिंग अ रैशनल नंबर. ठीक? क्लोजर, दिस इज द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी मींस बोथ साइड से इट इज क्लोज्ड. a by b को c by d से माइनस करेंगे तो हमको रैशनल नंबर को रैशनल नंबर से माइनस करेंगे तो रैशनल नंबर ही मिलता है. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी के एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग यू. This is one rational number is minus 14 by 7. Let us suppose another rational number is 11 by 34. If you subtract a by b minus c by d, मतलब अगर पहले से हम दूसरे को घटाते हैं तो आंसर मिलता है -1/2 और ये भी एक रैशनल नंबर है. सो इसका मतलब एक रैशनल नंबर को दूसरे रैशनल नंबर से माइनस करेंगे तो हमको एक रैशनल नंबर ही मिलेगा. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Commutative property of subtraction. But in case of subtraction, not in case of addition. In case of subtraction, if you are subtracting one from another, that does not mean the another will be subtracted from the first one, so you will get the same answer. मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर 3 में से 4 घटाएंगे तो हमको क्या, अगर हम 4 में से 3 घटाएंगे तो 1 मिलेगा, लेकिन 3 में से 4 घटाएंगे तो 1 नहीं मिलेगा. क्लियर? समझ में आ रही बात? कम्युनिटी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है? अगर एक में से दूसरे को घटाएं तो जो मिलेगा वो क्या दूसरे को पहले से घटाने से मिलेगा? तो नहीं मिलेगा. कम्युनिटी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में कम्युटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होल्ड करता है, नहीं होता है. मतलब a by b को अगर c by d से घटाएंगे तो c by d को a by b से घटाने से सेम आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, अलग अलग मिलेगा. क्लियर है? कम. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है, जैसे लेट अस सपोज 3 by 7 is there, another number is 1 by 5. If you are subtracting 3 by 7 with the 5 by 5, you will get 22 by 35. लेकिन अगर उल्टा करते हैं, -1 by 5 को 3 by 7 को 1 by 5 से घटाएंगे तो we will get -22 by 35. So we are not getting equal number. It is 22 by 35, another is -22 by 35. So these two numbers are not equal. Okay, so the difference number is no. So commutative properties does not hold good in case of subtraction, but it hold good in case of addition. Addition में होता है commutative property, लेकिन subtraction में नहीं होता है. Similarly, associative property. Associative property क्या होता है कि when you are subtracting something from two numbers and third number is also subtracted, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अगर एक में से दूसरे को घटाए और फिर तीसरे को उसमें से घटा दिए, या पहले और दूसरे को तीसरे से घटाए और पहले में से फिर घटाया, तो ये दोनों चीज बराबर नहीं होगा। तो एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है कि इफ यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम एनी नंबर of subtraction of another number will be not equal to the rest if you are using the associative property. So a by b minus c by d minus e by f is not equal to a by b minus c by d minus e by f. C by d and e by f is in bracket. So associative property also is not holding good in case of subtraction. तो क्या हो गया? Commutative property not holding, associative property is also not holding. Okay, so in both the cases we are not getting. Next is additive properties. If 0 is subtracted from a rational number, we are getting 4 by, let us suppose we are taking a 4 by 3 number, and if we are subtracting 0 from 4 by 3, so what will happen? Same number will come.
Same number.
If 0 is subtracted from rational number, then the rational number does not change. अगर किसी नंबर से 0 को घटाएंगे तो नंबर चेंज नहीं करता। क्लियर है? But if rational number is subtracted from 0, then it gives the additive inverse of rational number. अगर 0 से घटाया गया तो it will give, not give the same number, but it will give minus 4 by 3. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, let us come to the example having an addition and subtraction both. You can see there is an example on your screen. It is 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 8 plus minus 4 by 15. You have to solve to form a P by Q. Clear hai? Time is better is going up. So you all will again join. I will take only 5-10 minutes. ठीक है ना? आप लोग फिर से ज्वाइन करेंगे, 1 मिनट से कम का समय बचा है, तो you all will again join. I will start the this so that you all we can complete. अभी तुरंत आप सेम, हाँ, स्पीक।
Sir, when we join?
अभी तुरंत ज्वाइन करना है, सेम आईडी और पासवर्ड के साथ तुरंत ज्वाइन करेंगे। हम तुरंत अभी करेंगे, थोड़ा एक्सटेंड होगी क्योंकि टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा अभी। क्लियर है? ताकि इसको हम